The frozen fresh meat grinder can directly handle frozen meat whole plate block at -18°C and can also grind fresh meat and slightly frozen meat without thawing in advance. Grind at low temperature. The temperature rise of the meat is small, locking in moisture and nutrients, and the meat filling is fresher and has a longer shelf life, suitable for pork, beef, mutton, poultry, and can also grind chili, ginger, garlic, etc. One machine is multi-purpose. The company produces a full set of meat processing equipment,